SAMACH professional high-tech sanding technology for large customers in trade and industry, offering uncompromising quality. This is what you can expect from the brush sander RMS 1000 R9H. The machines can be configured to meet your individual requirements. Choose your combination from 3 different unit types. Easily changeable sanding units thanks to the structure. High drive outputs of up to 24 kilowatt. High level of flexibility thanks to independently driven sanding units. Exceptionally quiet operation thanks to heavy-duty frame. Touch screen which can be clearer to operate.